Hello everybody and welcome back to a new video. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this makeup look, then keep on watching. And yeah, let's get started with my first get ready with me video, and I hope you enjoy. Okay, so apparently my SD card shut off, so the first thing that I did was put this Nivea Aftershave on, and also this Clinique Clinique Moisture Surge 72 Hour Outer Replenishing Hydrator. It's a moisturizer. So those were the two first products that I put on already because my SD card stopped working. The next thing I'm going to do is put this Maybelline Anti-Age Concealer on. So how are you guys been doing? I'm just trying out for the first time a get ready with me video. I don't know if it's interesting or not, but as you guys can see, I put a lot around my eyes, right under the eyes. I don't really have any specific techniques. And then I put on like a hint of foundation on. This is only when I do like want to be a little bit extra and I know that the makeup is going to look a little bit better. So I put like less than a pump on my hand, just put it around. And then I use this brush. It's really good, it's from Primark. And if I want to do this fast, this is what I usually do in the morning, because I would rather sleep longer than putting on my makeup actually. So when I was younger I never wore makeup, but now I started a little bit. This is going to be a really natural sort of fall makeup. I'm going to put some balm on my lips because my lips is getting really dry. Yeah, I have my mirror right here. If you guys see that I'm looking down a lot, it's because of that. I really like this balm. It's hydrating and it gives a little bit of a color tint at the same time. The next thing I'm going to do is put on this stick. My makeup is really simple. I just put it on each of the eyes. Just blend it with my finger. But continue on. I'm using this Kiko Milano long-lasting stick, 8 hours, no transfer. And yeah, I put this on my eye, like just at the corner of my eye, and then I put it right there, just blend it out. The same here, just blend it out. It just do that so that I get a little bit of a better definition around my eye. Oh, I forgot to name this. I don't know, when I start filming I don't remember anything that I usually do, and I also prefer actually standing than sitting when I do my makeup. I don't know why, but I just put this eyebrow gel in, and I put on a little bit of this Honolulu bronzer from W7, and I use this brush from BABYLIPS number 18. And well, any brush will do for me, to be honest. And this has sort of a strong color to it, so, and it's like very dusty and it comes a little bit everywhere. So then I like to sort of like just put this like this and like this, and then yeah, it looks really messy. Now I'm using this HEMA brush and contour brush. I just really need to do this a little bit quick. And yeah, I don't normally contour my nose, I just take the excess from the bronzer from there. This is a very dusty bronzer. Yeah, and it barely like shows up on camera, but it's just for a little bit of definition. And yeah, I don't know, I usually don't do this like many steps actually. And then I use this MAC Gimme Sun bronzer from MAC, and yeah, I just put this on. How to like not make the look really natural is basically by putting some bronzer on. What I like to do next is to, oh, I have to get the brush for that. I like to use the Sephora eyeshadow palette like this one. Well, it is this one, not like this one. And then I use these three colors, these brown colors right here. So I just put like the thing, and then I do this just to get a little bit of a definition on. I've been really liking to do that lately. So when I like something I just continue to do it until I stop liking it. And then I put, not this color, the pink one called Candy, this one right here, in the inner corners of my eyes. I usually just use the highlighter, but I thought I would just use that for this time. And that's it for the eyeshadow. I'm really like light when it comes to the using all products. I just don't want it to look cakey and stuff, so yeah, I think I'm gonna put on a little bit more bronzer. But oh, now I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Infallible 24-hour powder for under my eye, just to set it on my nose, around my chin and everything. And then what do I do next? Well, I'm gonna put in a little bit of blush. And yeah, so I just used this HEMA contour stick. Oh, there's like €4. And then I use this L'Oreal Paris blush. I think it's discontinued now, but I don't really like the very harsh look on my face. And then the highlighter I use really often is this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter from yeah, it's the metallic highlighter. I think I'm gonna use this one. I don't know, I'll see how it looks. And then I just use the same eyeshadow brush. I only use like 3 brushes. It's really basic. And then yeah, that's barely showing up. I don't know, I haven't been liking it that much as a lot of other people do, so I'm gonna go. I really like this one, but since it got smashed in my suitcase, it hasn't been as good as previously, which is a really big shame. I think I'm gonna buy the Becca highlighter. But I like that this one is really like powerful. Like it shows a lot of color, and I don't know, I just want the highlighter to at least pop up and come like show up. I just put it at the bridge of my nose, like just at the high point of my face, and right here. Like look at that, that's such a difference in my opinion. I don't know if you guys can see it properly with the camera and everything, but yeah. And then here, and then here. I know the lighting is a bit weird, but and then I'm gonna use the what am I gonna use? Eyelash curler to curl my lashes. Yeah, I'm sorry that the lighting is a little bit off, and yeah, everything because the sun is like right behind the clouds right now. But I'm gonna just do this quickly. This is not an interesting part. Maybe. Whatever, but hopefully it's sort of interesting for you guys. The mascara I'm using is the Paradise Extract L'Oreal Paradise. I don't know why I do this, but I always lift my eye like this when I'm putting on mascara, just so that I get a little bit more, I don't know. It's just so that it doesn't hit the skin everywhere, I think. Wow, look at that. Damn. And then this one. Damn! It has never showed up like this before when I used it. This is so good. Like, my eyelashes are really just invisible. So look at that right now. Wow. That's something for sure. What I like about it is so smooth and buttery, so that it's really easy to just like pop this on and finish. I'm gonna put a little bit of highlighter on my nose. I'm using this eyeshadow from L'Oreal Paris. Put that up on my nose. It really makes a difference for my look, at least when I do that. And sometimes I use this as a highlighter. When I went traveling, I used this. Sorry that my hand has to be like that or it doesn't autofocus because I'm got a new camera. But yeah, and then I'm gonna put on the MAC Cosmetics lipstick. I'm gonna go and get that right now. So this is a lipstick I really like to use right now. It's this MAC Cosmetics in the color Capricious. It's really like a fall color. And what I like about this one is that it's not completely matte. It has a little bit of, it has color on it, and yeah. So that's the final look, at least. So yeah, that's the final look, and I hope you enjoyed to watch this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!